that those who demonstrate this character, to have this experience, Jesus says in Matthew 5 and verse 13, that you will be the salt of the earth. Notice what the Bible says. Ye are the salt of the earth. But if the salt have lost his savor, wherewith shall it be salted? It is thenceforth good for nothing, but to be cast out, to be trodden underfoot. So number one, we will look at the first part. Ye are the salt of the earth. Jesus likens those who have this experience, this character, unto salt. And when you think about salt, salt adds flavor to whatever is mingled with the food. Salt is also used as a preservative. It helps preserve food. So likewise, his people who have this gospel, who have this experience, are to be like this to the nations. And when you think about salt, in order for whatever is added to be preserved or add flavor or to make better, it must be mingled with, or it must be infused in with it for it to receive its benefits, correct? Yes. So likewise, his people, God's people, that have this experience, if we desire to see others saved by the grace that's afforded through Jesus Christ to be delivered from their sins, we must personally come close to them. We must do what? We must come close to them. Write in your notes. Colossians chapter 4 and verse 6. Let your speech be always with grace, seasoned with salt, that ye may know how ye ought to answer every man. So, in other words, our speech, our conversation in the midst of people must be seasoned with salt, must have grace. We must have wisdom and use words to draw people's hearts and minds to Jesus, who can save them. Jesus, who can help them. Jesus, who can deliver them. Our conversation amidst those in our family and friends, in our neighborhoods, at our workplaces, with those who don't believe like us, must be seasoned with salt, with grace. We can't be having the same conversations that they have. We can't be speaking and using the same language as they have. We have to, like it was noticed of Peter when he tried to blend in with those who was enemies of Christ when Christ was in the judgment hall. He tried to blend in with them, and they say, wait a minute. Your speech bewrayeth thee. Yeah. You sound just like him. Our brothers and sisters, Acts chapter 4, they took notice that the disciples had been with Jesus.